You have only one goal now. That is how to score 60 plus. That is exemption in CA final financial reporting paper. In the next few minutes, I will exactly show you which question matter, which topic matter, and how to score in one of the toughest paper of CA final, that is financial reporting paper. Hello everyone, this is CA Chiranjeev Jain, your mentor, your faculty, your guide, your friend. And today in this video, I am going to give you ABC analysis, expected question and top 100 question must solve before CA final financial reporting paper. Before I start, I just want to inform you that my Telegram channel has been deleted by mistake. Therefore, now all the updates related to CA final financial reporting paper will be given to my new WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is given in the description of this particular video. Do join that channel. Once again, I will inform you that my Telegram channel has been deleted. So now all the updates will be given to my new WhatsApp channel. Do join that channel for all the updates for CA final financial reporting paper. Now let us start with the ABC analysis for CA final financial reporting paper. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and do like this video and share this video with all your friends. When I say ABC category, what comes in your mind? Normally students think that A category are those chapters from which question will be asked and they will give more focus on A category. And C category are those chapters from which question will never be asked and they will not revise C category. And this is the point where students suffer in exam hall. From my point of view, there should not be any A, B, C category from CA final exam point of view. Why? Because ICI is known for unexpected question in exam hall. When I say A, B, C, it does not mean C category are those chapters from which question will not come. It means that A category require more time and B and C category require less time for revision. Got this point? That you need to understand. That B and C category are those chapters which require less time for revision. It does not mean the question will not come from that topic. Means we have designed A, B, C category to help you to understand which topic require more time to revision, which topic require less time for revision. Already hour-wise analysis I have given in my previous video. Which chapter require how many hours, that I have already informed you. Now to help you, which is A category, which is B category, which is C category, from revision point of view, I am making this video. Means in A category there are as usual 6 chapters. These 6 chapters are highest weighted chapter, means 50 to 60 marks question will come from A category. And normally from A category chapter, you will see every time a question in exam. Means I can say A category, always you will get some question in exam. What are the chapters included in A category? As usual, it is consolidation, business combination, share-based payment, financial instrument, Ind AS 116, Ind AS 115. Correct? So whenever I say A category means from this chapter question will definitely come. 90% chance is that question will come from A category, but the weightage will be 50 to 60 marks and you require more time to revise this chapter. Got this point? But coming to B and C, when I am saying B and C, you don't know from which topic question is going to come. It is quite possible in exam hall from B category and C category they are asking question, but we don't know from which chapter they will ask. Yes, I can say from revision point of view, B and C category chapter require less time as compared to what A category. In total, as per weightage, B and C category will also consist of 50 to 60 marks. Means you can't say that from C category question will not come. Question will definitely come. But C category chapter require less time for revision as compared to B category. That I just want to inform you. If whenever you are revising B and C category, B category chapter will require more practice as compared to C category. When I say C category include those chapters, believe me, in which if you revise only the content of Ind AS, you will be able to answer in exam hall. So suppose at the end you have less time for revision. You found that after revising A category, B category, now you have less number of hours. The C category chapter you can revise only the content of Ind AS, and even though you don't revise question, believe me, with the understanding of content, understanding of concept, you will be able to answer in exam. That you need to understand. Let me help you out. Which chapter I have put in B category, which chapter I have put in C category. B category chapters are Ind AS 7, Ind AS 12, Ind AS 16, Ind AS 19, Ind AS 21, Ind AS 33, Ind AS 36, Ind AS 41, Ind AS 105, Ind AS 108, Ind AS 108. Simple, but very important from examination point of view, because normally they ask questions from Ind AS 108. Professional and ethical duties, Ind AS 23, and analysis of financial statement. You will see that these are chapter which require some practice also. If you are not practicing, if you are not solving the question, you will not be able to answer the exam. Therefore, B category chapter require revision with practice also. But balance all chapter, whatever I have put in C category, Ind AS 1, Ind AS 8, Ind AS 2, whatever, Ind AS 10, if you revise only the content of Ind AS, if you have understood the concept, if you are not able to revise the questions, you will be able to answer in exam. That information I am here to give you. Got this point? Correct? This will help you. This will help you for revising FR efficiently. This time, say no to selective study. No means no. And if you are committed to this point, write down in the comment box, yes sir, for this attempt, for Jain 2026 attempt, we are not going to do any selective study. Already FR planner has been given, in which you will be able to understand which chapter require how much hour. That will really help you to revise effectively FR. If you have not downloaded it, download it soon from my WhatsApp channel. Now coming to the next point, most awaited from a student point of view, that is expected list must do question for Jain 2026 exam. So this is the PDF where you can get all the list of the question which is from my point of view expected, and it is must do from examination point of view. When I say expected and must do from examination point of view, what does it mean? Normally what I have seen that students don't know which question to revise, which question to leave in their revision, because we have limited hours. Believe me, in that limited hours, it is not possible to refer all the questions of ICR resource. Correct? So, of course, due to that reason, students are confused which question to leave, which question to refer, and eventually they will give more time in revision. For that purpose, this list will really help you. These are the must revise question in your revision time. Correct? Got this point? Are you able to understand? Means whenever you are revising FR paper, these are the list of the question which you should revise. And after this particular question, if you are left with some more number of hours, you can do some extra question. So this is the must revise expected question from examination point of view. Why I am saying expected? When I say expected, so that there is some reason behind that. If you see September 2025 expected list, from that expected list, 70%, more than, I will say more than 60% question were from my expected list. Same thing can be expected from this list. Got this point? But there is a disclaimer. I have already said ICI is known for unexpected question in exam hall, so you can't rely on this. Correct? But what I want to say that if you do this much question, these are 240 question. If you do this 240 question from examination point of view, you will become conceptually strong, and that will help you to attempt any new question in exam hall. Correct? So these are the must do question to understand the concept properly, and that will help you to attempt any new question exam hall. Got this point? Now, from where you will get this question, if you are using my question bank, then nothing to worry. These all questions are from my question bank. So if you are using my 11th edition, 12th edition, 13th edition, nothing to worry. You have these questions. There is no need to take the entire printout of this PDF. Take the printout of this page and your work will be done. But if you are not using my question bank, there is no need to buy my question bank. For your point of view, what I have done, I have incorporated all the question with solution in this PDF only. If you see, all the questions has been given. You just take the printout of entire page. That will help you. So there is no need to buy my question bank. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Now, my recent edition is 14th edition. So there may be some additional question which have been incorporated in my 14th edition. Correct? Right now, all my student of Jain 2026 exam has either 10th, 11th, 12th or 13th edition question. They don't have 14th edition question. So if you want additional question which has been incorporated in my 14th edition question bank, that also you can download from my WhatsApp channel. The link has been already provided. Got this point? Got this point? It means there may be some expected question from additional question which has been incorporated in my 14th edition. Okay, sir. So what I just want to inform you from this must do expected question point of view, that these are the questions which need to be done in your revision. Must do. If you do this much question, believe me, you can easily score more than 60 plus. You can easily score more than 60 plus. Correct? But sir, whether it is possible to revise all question by writing, that might what trigger you, because 240 question can you solve by writing? No. For that purpose, what I have done, I have given you top 100 question also. Means in the last revision, of course, quite possible 240 question you are not able to revise. For that purpose, I have given you top 100 question from this expected list. From this expected list only, means 240 question must do. Then for the last revision, just before exam, suppose you don't have much time, so these are the top 100 question from which I am expecting question in exam. Correct? And these are the question which you need to solve by writing also, so that you are also acquainted with writing practice also. Got this point? So these are the list of top 100 questions from the expected list only. This also you can take print out. The page is already given in my WhatsApp channel, that you can download and take a printout. Understood? So there is a difference between expected question and top 100 question. What I am saying, expected question 240 question need to be revised. Please don't mean that if you revise only 100 question, then you will become conceptually strong. If you want to revise from examination point of view, these 240 questions are must. Then also I am saying that if you have some more hours left, revise some other questions also. Correct? Already I have said no to selective study. Got this point? Then in the last revision, 100 top question need to be done. And this 100 question you can also practice by writing. Also practice by writing. Got this point? Believe me, FR is not a difficult paper. It is only a game of revising the paper effectively and practice more and more question. If you can follow my ABC category analysis, revise expected question, practice top 100 question, believe me, you can easily score 60 plus in FR. Share this video with all your friends in all your group. All the best for Jan 2026 exam. Let's crack FR together. Love you all. Bye bye.